In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Clipchamp buffering problems. 5 minutes. If your previews stutter or your exports seem to hang, this quick walkthrough will help you get back to smooth editing and reliable renders. Start by opening your browser and going to clipchamp.com. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In. On the login page, choose Continue with Microsoft, then pick your Microsoft account to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on the Clipchamp home screen where you can see your recent projects and start new ones. Open the project or video where you're experiencing buffering. Give the editor a moment to fully load your timeline and media. A lot of buffering issues come from assets still syncing or uploading in the background, so patience for a few seconds here really pays off. If your issue shows up during export, head to the export options. Select 1080p as your quality. This setting offers a great balance between visual clarity and processing load. Higher resolutions, like 4K, dramatically increase the strain on your device and browser, which can make the export appear to buffer or stall. 1080p keeps quality high for most platforms while letting Clipchamp render more efficiently. If you're exporting social content or standard web videos, this is usually the sweet spot. Now let's talk about import and media readiness, because this is the other common cause of buffering. When you bring files into Clipchamp, make sure they finish uploading before you edit heavily or scrub quickly through the timeline. Watch for progress indicators or small icons on your media. These tell you if a file is still syncing. If you hover or click the asset in the media library and see any sign that it's uploading, give it time to complete. Keeping the tab active and your internet connection stable helps the upload finish faster. Once your media shows is fully uploaded, playback should feel much smoother because Clipchamp isn't trying to stream or process unfinished files while you edit. If you've previously dragged a clip in and it lagged, revisit it after upload completion. You'll usually notice an immediate improvement. This also prevents hiccups later when you export. To recap the flow, sign in to Clipchamp with your Microsoft account, open your project, choose 1080p when exporting to reduce processing overhead, and confirm all imported media has finished uploading before you push your timeline hard. Follow these practices and you'll see most buffering problems disappear. Thanks for watching. If this helped, apply these checks on your next project and enjoy smoother editing and faster, more reliable exports.